board synshar ka Ri Bhoi district ki bakanthop yaw Abhilash Bharanwal u deputy commissioner ka Ri Bhoi district u VS Rathor senior superintendent of police ka Ri Bhoi district u ba Eric Calvin Dakhar magistrate na Ri Bhoi harangkat u ba sustain sotun u MLA ka Jirang menta ka sngi ka arpotri u nailar kla hiar sha ka shnong Maikhuli na ka banta ban kren bat sngap ya ka sur ki paidbah jong ka te ka shnong batru ban kren na ka banta ban wanra ya ka shong suk shong sain hadin balami ka jingya kulmar hapreng ki briu ka Meghalaya bat Assam ka badeiru hadin bagi paidbah ka shnong Maikhuli kala lej ban penklem no ya ki post electric ka balawan ban penyeng da ka Assam State Electricity Board ha ka jingelang baladon lang u MLA lembat ki board district ka Ri Bhoi ki paidbah na ka te ka shnong kila panpau hakmat u MLA bat ki board district ba kinle ya ka badon kam ban pentip sya ka sarkar halor ka jingye ka ba ki paidbah ka te ka shnong kila ya kando.
We have listened to the reports which you very unfortunate incident of our lady from our own lady from here from Maikhuli, and for this act we should condemn. And I would like to request also, because touching somebody's clothes, it's an act of unlawful, so we have to file an FIR against anybody who disrespect a lady or any person. So we came here because we respect our own people, and our own people, Maikhuli, they are peace-loving people. As the reports we have given, the Purna Herman or Hilip, what reports you have given, you respect the Assam people, you respect Hamluka administration, you respect our administration, you respect the Assam administration. Whatever you are doing diligently. So we fully support with you, but we also at the same time, we don't want to encourage you to take the law in your own hands. I know that because we have the administration. I know that you never do that until and unless some of the circumstances which tempted to, and we have to request our own people to, as you are, be peace-loving people. And all these issues regarding the fishery pond, and then we have had the committees, regional committees regarding the border issue, resolving of the border issues also. And this fishery pond never come into the discussion because we fully know that Maikhuli pond, it is within Maikhuli. It is within Maikhuli. So we never discuss in that committee. But unfortunately, from nowhere it comes the word of Burmari bean. So we are all in touch with the Purna headman also, with the previous headman. We are all in touch regarding the graveyard. And I would like to thank the people of Maikhuli, the village Dobra as a whole, for your initiatives, because you go by the law. You are denied the land and then you file to court. So this is the way, that the right way which we are doing. So for all these issues which you have the incident which happened in the last 2-3 days, the last Monday. So for these issues, I, as the local MLA, and I'm requesting our deputy commissioner also to write a written complaint. Written complaint means to our own government. And then from my part also, I will raise this issue, because we have to together we have to raise this issue to the government, so that the people of Maikhuli will not face any problem residing here in the borders.